Hello, adventurers and dreamers. Envision yourself traversing the vast golden plains of Africa, witnessing majestic wildlife up close, and immersing yourself in vibrant cultures. Today, we're embarking on an auditory journey to explore the wonders of a Kenyan safari, specifically through the transformative experiences offered by 100 Humanitarians International. So sit back, relax, and let your imagination roam free as we delve into what awaits you on this life-changing expedition. Imagine waking up to the gentle glow of dawn, the air crisp and filled with distant sounds of nature stirring. This is how each day begins on a Kenyan safari with 100 Humanitarians. But this isn't just any safari. It's a harmonious blend of adventure, cultural immersion, and meaningful service. Day 1, departure and arrival. Your journey commences with a flight from your home country to Nairobi, Kenya's bustling capital. Upon arrival, you're warmly greeted by the 100 Humanitarians team and transported to your accommodation near Nairobi National Park. The night is filled with anticipation as you settle in, perhaps lulled to sleep by the distant calls of wildlife. Day 2, journey to the Maasai Mara. After a hearty breakfast, the expedition sets off towards the renowned Maasai Mara National Reserve. The drive offers a visual feast, rolling hills, acacia-dotted landscapes, and glimpses of everyday Kenyan life. En route, a stop at the Great Rift Valley viewpoint provides a panoramic spectacle perfect for capturing memories. Upon arrival at Coco's Guest House, built by 100 Humanitarians and managed by the Emperor Cultural Center, you're welcomed with open arms and genuine smiles. Days 3 and 4, cultural immersion and service projects. The following days are dedicated to deep cultural immersion and impactful service. Participate in traditional Maasai ceremonies, learn the art of beadwork from local artisans, and engage in the Garden Tower Project, an initiative aimed at promoting sustainable food sources within the communities. These experiences foster genuine connections and provide a profound understanding of the Maasai way of life. Day 5, safari adventure begins. With the cultural foundation laid, it's time to delve into the wild heart of Kenya. Early morning and late afternoon game drives are scheduled to maximize wildlife sightings. The Maasai Mara is teeming with life. The Big Five: lions lounging in the shade, elusive leopards perched in the trees, herds of elephants meandering across the plains, solitary rhinos grazing, and formidable buffaloes standing their ground. The Great Migration. Depending on the season, witness thousands of wildebeest and zebras crossing the Mara River, a spectacle of life, death, and raw nature. Avian wonders. Over 450 bird species, from the vibrant lilac-breasted roller to the majestic African fish eagle, paint the skies. Each game drive is a unique narrative unfolding the intricate tapestry of the ecosystem. Day 6. Community engagement and safari continuation. Beyond wildlife viewing, 100 Humanitarians emphasizes community engagement. Visit local schools supported by the organization. Interact with students eager to share their aspirations and witness firsthand the impact of educational initiatives. Afternoon game drives offer another opportunity to encounter Kenya's diverse fauna, perhaps catching a pride of lions on the hunt or a dazzle of zebras playfully interacting. Day 7, optional activities and relaxation. For those seeking a different perspective, hot air balloon safaris are available, offering a serene glide over the Mara at sunrise, a vantage point truly like no other. Alternatively, guided nature walks provide an intimate exploration of the flora and smaller fauna, often overlooked during the game drives. Evenings are reserved for relaxation, sharing stories around a bonfire, and indulging in traditional Kenyan cuisine. Day 8, return to Nairobi and departure. As the expedition draws to a close, the journey back to Nairobi is filled with reflection. The landscapes, once unfamiliar, now feel like old friends. Upon arrival, there's time for a visit to local markets for souvenirs before boarding your flight home, carrying with you not just memories, but a transformed perspective. What sets 100 Humanitarians apart? Unlike conventional safaris, 100 Humanitarians integrates service and cultural immersion into the adventure. Travelers contribute to sustainable projects, fostering self-reliance within communities. Accommodations are safe, comfortable, and managed by local partners. Transportation in open-air safari jeeps adds to the immersive journey, with spontaneous moments of song and dance enhancing the camaraderie. Preparing for the expedition. Health precautions. Consult with a travel health specialist regarding vaccinations and malaria prophylaxis. Packing essentials. Neutral-colored clothing, comfortable walking shoes, a wide-brimmed hat, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a quality camera with extra batteries. Cultural sensitivity. Familiarize yourself with the local customs and basic Swahili phrases to enrich interactions. Physical readiness. While not overly strenuous, some activities involve walking on uneven terrain. A moderate level of fitness enhances the experience. Welcome to your next life-changing adventure.